Hi everyone, welcome to yet another video of Distraction Routes. Now I am here at the Dubai Mall. I am walking towards Dubai Mall from the metro station. I am in the pathway of the metro station. You can see how long it is. I have been walking like around 500 meters now. I still have not reached the mall. So it is a very long way. So I will be visiting at the top of Burj Khalifa today and also Dubai Aquarium and then the Dubai Mall. So I'm planning to bring these three videos as three separate ones. So now I'm going towards Dubai Mall and hope everything goes well. And I don't have a ticket. I've checked for the ticket prices. There's a combo for at the top and the aquarium is around 200 dirhams. So I'll be taking that ticket so that I can enjoy both and see the high-rise structures. It's so beautiful here. And this was now, I think it is the 10th anniversary of, I'm not sure how many years now, but it was constructed by the company Emaar. It is an Emaar Holdings. There you can see is the Dubai Mall, and there what you are seeing is Burj Khalifa. Oh my god, that looks tall and exciting. So that should be fun. After walking for around more than a kilometer on the walkway, now I can see Dubai Mall in my sight, the entrance of Dubai Mall, and there it is. You can see the Dubai Mall, Zabil, Emaar. These are the ones who make the construction, and there is the Dubai Mall and Burj Khalifa standing out up there. So I'm all excited to go up there and get to the top and have a good view or a great view of Dubai from the top, from the world's tallest building. So I'm here in front of the Dubai Mall, and this is the place where Dubai Fountain takes place. It starts only at 6 in the evening, and the lightings and the fountain are a wonderful sight for the eyes. It is a must see for people. And there it is. There is the world's tallest building, and I will be going up till the top. I haven't taken my tickets yet. Just saw this exit, so I thought I will come out and show you guys how this place looks. This is where the Dubai Fountain happens, and behind me is the Dubai Mall, and that is Burj Khalifa, and the aquarium is inside the Dubai Mall. And look at that, look at those buildings, fantastic. And this is the one. I think this can be seen very far away, like 150 kilometers away from the road. I think it's from the Emirates Road. Once I have seen the Burj Khalifa. So you can imagine how tall it is. And I am here in front of Burj Khalifa. So finally I got my tickets. It costed me 200 dirhams, and here is the ticket. So I am going towards the top. I am all excited. From the earth to the sky. It's a nice caption. It's an entrance here. You can see how beautiful it is and how well it is made. There you can see Burj Khalifa from this window here. They've just made a glass opening here so that we can see it from here. It looks stunning from here. I'm all excited to go up and see what's in store for me. I found something interesting here. This is how the informations are provided. You need to keep your hand here, and then it starts to vibrate. There the hand is recognized, and then they start to provide information. This is such a nice time. It says as much as 35,000 people can be in the Burj Khalifa at a time. And this is the second one. I will keep my hand on it, and there it is recognizing my hand, and the information it provides is when the architects at SME set about designing Burj Khalifa, they built a series of scale model of the tower. So these are the scale modeling of the towers. These are the models that they created before. It's like the prototype before they made the actual building. How do you light a super tall tower in a sandstorm? So I will keep my hand and let's see what is the information for in store. When developing a lighting system for Burj Khalifa, designers made use of more than a dozen different types of lights. So that's something. And here I see a pump or something of that sort, a pump driven by a motor. So what's the information here that I get? How do you keep a super tall building cool when it's hot? This is a replica of 31 pumps. There are 31 pumps like this for the air conditioning system to work. From vision to reality. This is another caption here. You have these glass structures here. They are kind of glass designs made up of glass, and this is the entrance. This is how initially they started construction. That's the foundation or the base of it. They have all the information here. That was 2006. The earlier one was 2005. At 2006 they finished 50 levels and the construction was going on. And 2007 they had almost completed 100 levels. And going on in 2011, level 150, world's tallest freestanding structure, was ready. So you have it all here, all the information's here. So I think now it's been 13 years since it's been constructed. 2008, level 160, tallest man-made structure. These are very nice. The paintings, they have all the pictures of the construction work and site work. And here, completion of Sapphire in 2009. 2009, cladding completed. And here there is the information, complete information of the structure. They are showing how it came up or how it was risen. Look at the way the animation is. A small tree is coming up. January 2004 excavation starts, February 2004 piling, June you have all the information here. 2005, 2006 keeps going up. January 2007 level 100 as we saw there earlier. The world's tallest building, 2007. World's tallest freestanding structure in 2007. So they have all the April 2008 world's tallest man-made structure. So that's how all about the construction. And here they have all the pictures and the construction work here. And on my left side, as I told earlier, the glass design, they have all the photos of the construction work. This is great to see. They are honoring their workers or who have laid stone for this wonderful or beautiful structure. We have toilets here in case. Thank you.
So, welcome everyone to Burj Khalifa.
It's okay to take a video?
From here to level 124, you will go only in 1 minute. This is the fastest lift in the world.
Okay.
The speed 10 meters in 1 second. You will reach level 124 first, and after you can take the steps to go to level 1 to 5.
Okay.
Total 2 levels to see. No time limit for you to stay upstairs. You can stay as long as you wish. And don't forget about the balcony on level 1 to 4. You can go outside. It's the best spot for the picture.
Okay.
Thank you and enjoy the view.
Thank you. It's dark in here and I'm on the elevator, the world's fastest elevator. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Just like a movie theater in here. Wow. I am in an elevator right now. but I don't feel like one. The world's fastest elevator. It just takes 1 minute to go 124 floors. This is really amazing. Look at that. Look at the clarity of it. And the ceiling also. Just as if we are in a spaceship. That's the theme. And we are at the top. Finally we are at the top. Good morning. Finally, after being in the elevator, I have reached here at the top. And it is a bit clouded today, but look at that view. Look at that view. Oh my god, I am on top of the world's tallest building. That's the Dubai fountain that I had showed you earlier. That's the whole structure of it and the whole design. I took some pictures from there earlier, and here it is, the world's tallest building. We have a lot of people taking pictures and selfies. Oof. That's an absolute beauty. I think that's Sheikh Rashid Road and other one is Sheikh Zayed Road. You can see the Dubai Creek from here. Look at those structures, look at those buildings. I just love the lift and the way it was up there. I'm walking all the way, and those are all the structures there. Ooh, that's the sea, and that's the world. You can see there in the sea there's some activity happening. That's the other man-made island that they're planning. It is the world, and there what you're seeing is the Dubai dry dock out there in the sea. That's the port, or the look at that, oh my god, look at that view. And it's absolutely safe here. You are in glass structures. You are safe between the glass and the lower ground floor, so there is no chance of falling. And whew, finally I am here at the top. There is no limit for how long I can be here, and still there is remaining. This is just the 124th floor, and there's another floor. There's other, I think it's up to 148 floors that you can go. This is the view on the other side. For your own safety, please do not extend objects farther than the glass panel. Please do not lean or sit. So it's just for the safety in case the glass breaks or something like that. You have this view from here. Absolutely stunning view from here. You can see whole of Dubai city here. There is the Emaar structure, and look at that, look at the Dubai fountain thing. I surely want to come back here at 6 and visit the Dubai Mall and also have a view of the Dubai fountain. And this portion is open and you have air coming in, a lot of air coming in. That is why they are asking us not to extend anything out through this area. The whole of Dubai is visible, and I think those buildings out there is Sharjah also. So the whole view is wonderful. Look at that, look at that. So got these absolutely stunning views from here, and I'm moving up towards the 125th floor. This is the 124th floor, and I'm moving up there, and I hope it is beautiful. There's another kind of observatory here, and there's a small cafe here, the cafe 124, and I'm getting the same views from there, but because it is enclosed, it's got a much better view, and you would get stunning pictures if you are standing there. Ooh, look at that, look at that. I'm not able to scream from here. People around. They'll scream my hell out. It's wonderful. So I did find out that there is a stair to go up to 125th floor. So I'll be walking up the way instead of taking the lift. So I can have a better view, or I get a good view of it. So this is the stairs leading to the 125th floor. I was on 124th floor before. So going up to the 125th floor, and they told me there's a balcony up here. So that's where we were before, and people taking photos. It keeps going. I think you can go all around. I'm not sure about it. Yes, you can go all around and see complete of Dubai. The other one was north, east and west, and the south side you couldn't see from there, but here you can see the south side also. And there the waterways going is the Dubai Creek that you are seeing there. And here is the fountain, Dubai fountain area, and that is the other view that I couldn't get from there. You can see I don't know if the camera can capture it, but I can see Burj Al Arab from here in the coastal line there. And there is a souvenir shop here. And if you have this souvenir shop here, you can get yourself a souvenir. So this is all about Burj Khalifa. If you are coming here, you can get the tickets and get in. Normally the tickets are like 125 to 150 dirham just for at the top. For the aquarium it is separate, but now I think there's an offer going on, or due to COVID-19 situation, the number of tourists coming in are less, so they have given an offer. It's only 200 dirhams. You can get into the Dubai aquarium and at the top. So this is a very good offer that I got. When you guys come in also, you can try to ask for the promotions, so you will have some promotions like this. Else you can get in at 125 or 150 dirhams and then take a Dubai aquarium ticket separately. So that's all from Burj Khalifa, and I am at the top, and I just fell in love with this place. It is worth watching or worth coming here once in a lifetime. And the most stunning part, or the best thing I loved here, is the lift. The lift was mind-blowing and really crazy. I will try to record it once more once I am up in the lift. It should be a good experience up there. So that is all from Burj Khalifa, and this is Tom signing off. If you do like the video, please do hit the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon. And if there are any comments, please do put your comments in the comment box, and any more information that I can provide, I'll be providing you in the description or any of the titles on the videos. So thank you, thanks for watching. So now I'm going down in the elevator and it's completely closed. Woo! Look at the flooring. I'm going down. Sorry, not the flooring, the ceiling.